Next option we are having, which is existing connections. Existing connections means, for example, here in this cell which is C2, what I want is I want to import the data which is available in the sheet 2, or you can say any of these sheets. How we can achieve this? To do so, we need to click on this existing connections, which means we are connecting that data which is already exist in this particular workbook, means that is already there. So I click on this existing connections. Here you can find out all the sheets, the document which we have already inserted in previous videos. So for example, I select here data 1 and click open. You will see it is asking me in which particular cell you want your data to be started. So I select this D2 by default and click OK. You can see this same data which is here. I have imported this data from this particular sheet. These same values I am having here with the help of existing connections. Next, we are having queries and the connections. You can see while I am importing, for example, I Ctrl Z again and I want to import, I click here and click existing connection, or you can say I am clicking on this from text to CSV and I select this any data and import. You will notice that I have this pop-up window and click load. You can see in the right side I am having the queries and connections, which means this is the query window which start processing when you import the data. Means it will import all the data connections here firstly, then load that data into Excel. So we will see this in the properties window, that how these works. But before that, we need to understand one thing, which is that, for example, this is my data which is available in this sheet. For example, in future, what I want is I want to add any name here and want this added name should reflect here automatically without again adding that data. How we can do this? To click here or simply click on properties. In properties, you need to click on this query properties. Click on this query property. You can see here is an option which is saying refresh data when opening the file, which means it will automatically refresh the data whenever we will open this or there is any updation. You need to click OK and click OK. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.